Let's see how to write parallel symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to type in your parallel symbol, simply head on over to the Insert tab and click on Equation to insert a new equation. And when you click that, that should open up this equation tab right here, which will allow you to edit your equation. Now, to look for your parallel symbol, simply head on over to the Geometry tab under Mathematical Operations. And you should see this symbol right here, which shows parallel to. And when you click that, that will automatically insert into your document. Now, another method that you can do is to simply type in backslash and parallel, and that should also turn into a parallel symbol. And that is how you write parallel symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.